Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, before we start, can you guess what is common between Walt Disney, General Motors, or even Macy's? Yes, you guessed it right. Apart from being one of the largest businesses in the US, they all have filed for bankruptcy. So, what is bankruptcy? Let's dive deeper and get a clear understanding about this concept of bankruptcy. But before we get into that, let's understand the meaning of the word debt, creditor, and debtor. Debt is the money that you borrow from a person or an organization on the promise that you will return this money to them as per the terms of agreement and within the time frame agreed upon by the parties. Debt can be in the form of loan, credit card balances, car loan, mortgages, etc. Debtor is the person who is borrowing money. It can be a person or an organization that borrows money. And creditor. A creditor is the person or organization who lends or gives the money. So, simply put, when a person or organization borrows a lot of money from different people, financial institutions like banks, etc., and then is not able to pay this money back within the required time frame, then they can go to an impartial and fair authority, and those are the judges, and file for bankruptcy. So, under those situations where paying back the borrowed money or debt becomes almost impossible for the borrower, then the debtor is left with no choice but to declare and file for bankruptcy under the US Bankruptcy Code. Friends, the US Bankruptcy Code has many chapters, and it is after some of these chapters that the different kinds of bankruptcies are named. Chapter 7 deals with liquidation or straight bankruptcy. Chapter 9 deals with municipal bankruptcy. Chapter 11 deals with reorganization bankruptcy. Chapter 12 deals with family farmer or fisherman bankruptcy. Chapter 13 deals with adjustment of debts for individuals with regular income bankruptcy, and Chapter 15 deals with bankruptcies related to ancillary and other cross-border cases. Friends, these chapters list the rules which govern how the creditors and debtors relationship will change once the debtor or the borrower files for bankruptcy. The aim is to balance the interests of both creditors and debtors, which are definitely opposing, as much as possible in a systematic, efficient, and an effective way. Since bankruptcy code is a federal law in the United States, all bankruptcy cases are filed in one of the federal bankruptcy courts, and the state courts do not have jurisdiction in these matters. All bankruptcy cases are first filed before the bankruptcy courts, which are federal courts. These are the primary courts or the main courts where the bankruptcy cases are filed. The next level in the federal court system are the district courts. So, if there are any disputes or appeals related to the judgment of the bankruptcy courts, the parties can go to the district courts. The appellate body above the district courts is the Bankruptcy Appellate Panels. Then comes the US Court of Appeals, and in rare cases, bankruptcy related issues may be appealed to the United States Supreme Court. One of the fundamental features of bankruptcy law is that whenever a bankruptcy is filed, an automatic stay and protection is granted to the debtor against their creditors. This stay is an important legal protection that becomes effective immediately upon the filing of a bankruptcy petition. Therefore, friends, to conclude, Bankruptcy is an important legal and financial tool that can provide individuals and businesses which are heavily under debt to get a fresh start. However, bankruptcy also has its advantages and consequences. Therefore, it's best to seek professional help if you or someone you know is considering bankruptcy. We must remember that financial challenges can happen to anyone, and while bankruptcy can help manage debt, it can also impact creditworthiness and financial prospects of the debtor. It's also essential to understand the specific type of bankruptcy that suits your situation. And we will look at all of them in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more valuable insights on some of these legal topics. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and have a great day.